Welcome to Zoomers RV of Wabash, Indiana. Today we're looking at this used 2017 custom-built tiny house in Cocoa. It is available at Zoomers for the low price of $39,900. It has a gross weight of 12,000 pounds. It sleeps 5. Has electric heat and a window AC. Now we'll look inside. When you walk in is the living area. There's shelving to your right along the wall. Here's your sofa sleeper with storage below. And shelving. There's also storage in the stairs. And here is the kitchenette. Stainless steel countertops and a deep sink. Or cabinetry. And across is a bookshelf with a closet. Here is the bathroom. Shelving and a shower. Stovetop and your microwave and refrigerator. Now we'll go upstairs to the loft. Here's your sleeping area. Shelving along the wall and drawers. If you are interested in this tiny house, contact us or inquire online at zoomersrv.com.